Hey YouTube, welcome back to Part-Time Fab. So in this episode, we are going to get into another Vise stand build. Matter of fact, two Vise stands. So I might have mentioned in another video that I was commissioned to build another Vise stand. Well, now we've got two to build, and I just happen to have found two brake drums. So we can move forward now with that build and get on to doing that. So if that's something you're interested in, then we're going to just keep rolling and continue to watch. And I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get to it. So hey, before we get into this build, I just want to apologize for the audio. I know it's not been the best with the last few videos. It's been really bad. It's too quiet or too loud, one of the two. So just want to let you know I am working on it. I'm looking to get some new equipment to resolve that issue. So let's get into the build. Okay, so we've got our plate cleaned up, and just to lay out these bolt holes, I'm using my roll around stool to put the plate on, and then we set the brake drum on top of that. Now, to center punch the bolt holes accurately, it would be awesome to use these transfer punches. But these bolt holes are super big. They're probably near 1 inch in size. So I don't have a transfer punch that's big enough for that. So, and I can't make one from a lathe because I don't have a lathe, but we can improvise. So I'm gonna pull you over here to take a look at this on what I'm gonna do. So what I've devised is I'm going to take a regular socket in a 3/4 in this case, and it fits pretty snug down in these bolt holes. So then I found the punch that will slip through here and fit real snug in the hole in the socket. So all I got to do is go around to each one of these, put the transfer punch in the relative center of the socket, and give it a little tap. And then I have marked each one of my holes fairly accurate, and that should be good enough to put the bolts in. Okay, so we've made it to the end of another video. I really am glad you stuck around to this point to see these nice vices finished up, painted, and ready to go out the door. My customer is going to be picking this one up later today, so I'm really trying to get this video done with the filming and get it ready for to be edited and put out on YouTube. So, you know, this is what we've done. We've got everything painted. I'm really pleased with how the Vise stands came out. I'll try to put a clip up of showcasing them a little bit so you can see them a little better. But really happy with the way everything turned out. I really like the color on this one. I wasn't sure if one of the customers didn't know what color he wanted, so I told him I'm going to do two, and you can pick which one you want. And then I had the other customer pop up and said that he wanted one, so I got two customers now wanting two. So, you know, what are you going to do? But still real happy with the way these turned out, and thanks for watching. And always remember that more videos to come. And if you can, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. If your feelings are more complicated than this, leave me a comment below, and hit that big subscribe button, and really help me out. Maybe if you share the video with your friends, and you know, more views you get, the more your videos go up in the list. So shares, comments, likes are always welcome. So let me know what you think, and I guess with that, we'll see you next time on Part Time Fab.